How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. If you've been trying to send or receive direct messages on TikTok but the option isn't showing up, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue on your iPhone. First, let's make sure that the direct message are enabled to your account. Open the TikTok app and simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and tap on the three horizontal lines to open settings and privacy. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on privacy and look for direct messages option and make sure it's set to friends or everyone depending on who you want to message. If it's set to no one, that's likely why the option isn't showing up for you. Change it to either friends or everyone and then check again. Now, if there's an update, simply tap and install update. To do that, go to App Store and simply search for TikTok, and if there's an update available, do that, update it. Now let's take a overall account privacy settings. Go to your TikTok account and simply tap on the three horizontal bars again and simply click on privacy and make sure your account isn't set to private. If your account is private, you may be only be able to message people who follow you. If it's not, consider switching to public and to allow more interactions. Another reason direct messages may not appear is if your iPhone has any restrictions enabled, such as screen time. Go back to settings, and what you need to do is scroll down until you find an option that says screen time. And what you need to do is tap on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that content and privacy restrictions aren't limiting TikTok or its features. If necessary, simply disable these restrictions and try again. And that's it. That are some of the steps that will help you fix the direct message option not showing issue on TikTok.